Hi guys, hello and welcome back. And I'm starting the section of triangles in geometry. And previously I did for algebra and mensuration. So here in this section we will start with triangle. And the first chapter we will learn is the methods of congruence or the congruence axioms. Now what is congruence? We have two triangles. Here you can see what first one is ABC and the second one is ADC. Now what to do? There will be some properties or similarities of these two triangles. If they match, these triangles will be congruent. What is congruent? Means there will be some similarities of those triangles. Now, what are the congruence methods? The first one, it is side, side, side. What it is say? Three sides, all the three sides of the two triangles will be equal. If it happens, then those two triangles are congruent. So for example, if these two sides become equal, or these two sides and these two sides become equal, and similar that three sides become equal, these two triangles will be congruent. How it is written? It is written like that: triangle, then a symbol of like that. That is the symbol of congruence. Okay, two equal and one that. It is the congruence symbol. What it is imply? If the two triangles are congruent, two things happen. First of all, area of these two becomes equal. Okay. Second thing, all the other things becomes equal. All the other things means the angles will become equal. Like these two angles will become equal, these two angles will be equal, and these two. So not that, these two and these two. So the opposite angles or the adjacent angles will be equal. So that thing is called as CPCT, or common property of congruent triangle, that is CPCT. Later on we will start working on it and you will understand what is this. The second axiom is angle side. What is angle side? Let me rub it this so you can work more on these things. What it is angle side? There will be two angles and one side of the two triangles which will be equal. So if I draw two triangles, one is that and another is that. Now if these two sides become equal, these two angles become equal, and these two sides become equal. So two sides and one angle is equal. That is the angle side axiom. What will be the other CPCT or common property? Like opposite other angles and other sides will be equal. Okay. Now the third one is SAS or side angle side. What it will imply? Two side, one angle. Okay, so here we will have two sides and one angle to be similar, to be equal, and then the triangles will be congruent. And the last one is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. So for that I need to draw an example for you. I am drawing that triangle here. Here you can see these are the right angles and these are the sides, base, hypotenuse, what you say, this is the hypotenuse, you remember. So there should be two triangles, both will be right angle triangle. If their hypotenuse and any of the side becomes equal, these triangles will be congruent. Okay, I repeat, it should be a right angle triangle, both them will be a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse and any other side will have to be equal, then it should be a congruent. The logic behind is, if hypotenuse and side becomes equal, the other side also be equal, so it follows the SSS rule. Okay, so these are the four methods of finding out the congruence of triangle. Later on we will start working on one by one the examples of it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and follow. I am available both on YouTube and Facebook.